Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're taking something that usually feels like a total chore, dealing with a government portal, and turning it into an absolute breeze. If you're driving anywhere near Chicago, you know the Illinois Tollway is practically unavoidable, right? But managing your account, it really doesn't have to be a headache. So let's jump right in and find out how to master the digital tollway together. Picture this. You're cruising down the Jane Addams Memorial Tollway. The music is pumping, you breeze right through one of those open road tolling plazas, and then, boom, a sudden, dreadful thought hits you. Wait a second, did I actually put money in my iPass account? Fast forward a few weeks, and an envelope from the Illinois Tollway shows up in your mailbox. Yep, it's an invoice, packed with full-price tolls and those nasty administrative fees. Ugh, we've all been there, or at least lived in fear of it, right? That sinking feeling of getting slammed with fines just because of a low balance is literally the worst. But the good news? It is completely preventable. And this is exactly why keeping an eye on that balance is an absolute game changer. As an iPass user, you get a massive perk. We're talking a full 50% discount on all Illinois Tollway tolls compared to the standard cash or pay-by-plate rates. Half price. But here's the kicker. That discount isn't just an automatic right, it's a privilege, and it hinges entirely on your account staying in good standing with a positive prepaid balance. So, keep this magic number in mind, 5. Let's say your transponder battery dies, or maybe your shiny new tag just isn't read correctly. The tollway uses its cameras to scan your license plate instead. This is what they call a video toll, or a V-toll. Now, the system is actually pretty generous. It allows you up to 5 of these V-tolls per month per vehicle and still gives you that sweet 50% discount as long as your plate is registered and you actually have funds. But hit V-toll number 6 or let your account hit 0? No way. You lose that discount entirely, you get hit with the full cash rate, and you might even face violation fines. All right, so here's our roadmap for today. We're going to cover avoiding costly toll fines, setting up your account, navigating the online portal, using the mobile app, troubleshooting and scam alerts, and finally, some tips for total peace of mind. Let's get to it. Section 1. Avoiding costly toll fines, and why your balance matters so much. So, to dodge those fines, we have to understand that this massive digital ecosystem relies completely on your account actually having money in it. Remember, it's a prepaid system. It's not like a monthly utility bill you pay after the fact. As we mentioned, a VTOL acts like a safety net if your physical transponder fails. The camera steps in as a backup. But here is the catch. If your digital ledger shows $0, that safety net instantly turns into a financial trap, and it generates an invoice. Checking your balance isn't just some good housekeeping habit, It's literally your best defense mechanism. Moving on to Section 2, setting up your account and taking it from hardware to digital. Okay, so before you can even check a balance, you've got to bridge the gap between your physical tag, whether that's one of those old clunky hard case transponders or the sleek new sticker tags you can grab at Jewel-Osco or online, and your digital profile. To do this, just head over to illinoistollway.com and click Open iPass Account. You're going to enter your personal details and verify your email. But listen up, this is absolutely crucial. Your username cannot be your email address. That's a strict security measure they use to prevent hacking. You'll also need to link your vehicles using their license plates and input your transponder serial number. If you're looking at your transponder right now, it's that 11-digit number right above the barcode, and it always starts with 015. Section 3, navigating the online portal to actually check that balance. All right, your hardware is officially linked to your digital identity. Now it is time to actually check that all-important balance online. And honestly, they've made this part beautifully simple. You just navigate to getitpass.com, which is their official user portal, and log in with those credentials you literally just created. The second your dashboard loads, you don't even have to go hunting for it. Your current prepaid tool balance is prominently displayed right there at the very top of the homepage. It gives you an immediate, crystal-clear snapshot of exactly where your account stands. But hold on, keep this really vital piece of information in mind. Your iPass is incredibly powerful. It actually works across the entire EasyPass network in 19 different states. However, if you just drove the Indiana Toll Road or, say, the New York State Thruway, those out-of-state agencies have to talk back to Illinois. And that reporting latency means it can take a good 24 to 48 hours for those pending tolls to finally hit your account. So if you literally just got back from a giant cross-country road trip, your visible balance might temporarily look a bit higher than it actually is. Let's jump into Section 4, using the mobile app for on-the-go management.
Let's face it, we don't always have a laugh tap sitting right next to us when we suddenly panic and realize we need to check our tolls, right? Enter the official Illinois Tollway app, available for both iOS and Android. This app basically mirrors the website's capabilities, but adds some really incredible, totally clutch features. The balance dashboard gives you that instant solvency check we just talked about. The Add Funds button, that prevents your account from completely depleting with just a single tap. But check out the trip planner. This is fantastic. You can actually map out a route in advance, and the app calculates your expected tolls so you know exactly how much to budget for a trip. And then there's the backdate service. This is a lifesaver. It allows you to retroactively add a license plate, say for a rental car, up to 14 days after your initial travel, completely saving you from fines and fees.
Next up, Section 5, Troubleshooting and Scam Alerts. How to navigate the pitfalls. So as seamless as digital platforms try to be, we all know government portals can be pretty finicky sometimes. Plus, unfortunately, there are malicious actors out there. So we really need to arm ourselves with the knowledge to navigate these pitfalls. If you have ever felt like pulling your hair out over a login screen, trust me, you are not alone. Take this real quote from a Chicago Reddit user who goes by lolqueer23. They posted, "I log in using my username, then the website said I don't have access to my own account." They got stuck in this incredibly frustrating endless loop, with a site demanding driver's license numbers and transponder codes just to let them view a dashboard they already owned. When you hit roadblocks like that, here are the official fixes. First up, the old reliable trick. Clear your browser cache, or just switch to a totally different browser. Seriously, sometimes Firefox or Edge just play a lot nicer with the Tollway scripts than Chrome does. Second, when you're entering your driver's license number, make sure you don't use any spaces or dashes. In Illinois, it always starts with the first letter of your last name, directly followed by the numbers. And finally, if you have an older legacy account type known as iPass Simple, the online tools might actually be completely locked for you. If that's the case, you'll need to bypass the website entirely and call 800 UC iPass directly. A customer service rep will have to untangle it for you on their end. Okay, shifting gears for a second, because we really need to talk about something incredibly serious: scams. Right now, there is a massive, ongoing wave of SMS phishing, also known as smishing, campaigns specifically targeting Illinois motorists. You might suddenly get a text message claiming you owe a very specific amount in unpaid tolls, and it'll give you a handy little link to pay now so you can avoid a penalty. Do not click it. These links direct you to highly sophisticated, spoofed websites that look exactly, and I mean exactly, like the real Tollway portal. Here is exactly how you protect yourself. The Illinois Tollway will literally never send you a text asking for your password, your social security number, or demanding immediate payment through a text link. If you actually signed up for legitimate SMS alerts from them, they are only going to notify you if your balance is running low or if the credit card you have on file has expired. That's it. So if you get a suspicious text, just ignore the link completely. Instead, open the official app yourself or manually type illinoistollway.com right into your browser. And always verify that little padlock icon in the address bar before you type a single credential. Finally, Section 6, Tips for Peace of Mind, focusing on automation and savings. Now, what if you rarely ever actually had to check your balance manually? Sound good? Well, the absolute best, most proactive way to keep your account in good standing is to set up automatic replenishment. Basically, you just link a valid credit or debit card to your digital profile. The system then monitors your balance for you in the background, and the exact moment it dips below $10, it automatically charges your card a predetermined amount, usually around $40, to top you right back up. It's totally seamless. Plus, if you have multiple cars, you can use the shared balance feature. This means you don't need separate funds isolated for every single car. All your family's transponders just draw from one centralized, automatically replenished pool of money. Before we officially wrap things up, I do need to quickly read our standard disclaimer. This explainer is produced for informational purposes only. Please refer to the official iPass website or contact iPass customer support for detailed advice specific to your situation. So, which brings us to our final question for you. Is your iPass balance ready for your next road trip? Seriously, don't wait for a surprise invoice to show up in the mail to find out. Take 5 minutes today, log in, verify your balance, and just turn on auto replenish to save yourself the headache. Now, have you ever gotten caught off guard by a surprise toll? Or maybe you've got a genius hack for managing a whole fleet of family cars. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's build a really great community of savvy commuters. And hey, if this explainer helped you save some time and maybe even a few bucks, please hit that like button and subscribe for more efficient learning. Safe travels out there, and we will see you in the next explainer.